Hello from Cuenca. So, yesterday was crazy. We took a 6.5-hour bus from Loja to Macara. Found a really nice taxi man and a woman that helped us get to the Ecuador and Peruvian border where we got our stamps. Then took a 4-hour bus back to Loja, and then a 5.5-hour bus to Cuenca, and we are here. So lesson learned, make sure you get your stamps when you're crossing the border so you don't have to waste a full 24 hours. But we're here, we're in Cuenca. We're gonna eat all the street food now. It's really clean here so far, I've noticed. Pretty quiet, quaint, cute little city.
So we have the choclo, which is like the really big South American corn. You have some pork, looks like, and you have like these Incan, oh, they look like beans. I thought they're potatoes. You have spicy sauce.
First bite.
First bite. Oh, you do have little potatoes. Oh my god.
It's good?
Oh yes, it is. I'm going in again, Bubba. Oh shit, that's good. This is our first lunch in Cuenca, and we're doing a manual del dia. It comes with soup and then your entree. And the soup had a little surprise for us.
It's alphabet soup. And it's $2.50 for juice and soup and then our main course. Lunch of the day. This was $3 and a tornada, which is a whole big pig right there. And they have a couple of these all in the top store of the Central Mercado. I don't know if you can see it very well because of the lighting, but it's a pig head right there. Now we're having some juice to end our lunch. I think this is $1. I'm not too sure, but it's delicious and served by a really sweet old lady. Cheers to all the Central Mercados around South America. They will always be our favorite. So Matt just went to those ladies right behind him and got all these grains for $1 US.
They're already cooked.
Good morning, good morning. We are in Cajas National Parque. It costs $2 to get here from the main bus terminal, Terrestal Terminal in Cuenca. And it was like an hour to get here. And apparently it's a free park, free national park to go into, and there's a few different hikes we can do. And it's beautiful here. You're just surrounded by hills and lakes. I'm taking Route 1 It's the easier one, and Matt's taking Ruta 2, which is the harder one. Sometimes I just can't do those hard hikes. That's good. His hike will be around 5 hours long, and my hike will be around 3 hours long. So we'll either meet at the end and I'll just read and wait for him, or I'll just take a bus back and go home. So we'll see. It's beautiful though. I'm excited to be here.